Okay, this is going to be a mix of a shout out slash instructional or information video, let's put it that way. A couple days ago, I posted this video here comparing my three main radios, part 3, and I came across something interesting with how on the Kenwood R2000, when I'm listening to something on Siegel's sideband, that I wasn't hearing the splatter from adjacent frequencies, and I posted that I wasn't sure why that was. Well, first off, HamandShortwaveRadio, he came back and commented. Here, let me read it just in case you can't see it, but or can't make it out. I'm not sure how big the lettering is going to be on the video here, but he wrote, "It is because the IF filters in the Kenwood are narrower than in the other radios. This provides a narrower pass band of frequencies, which is more effective at cutting out signals above and below the desired frequency." And to me that makes sense, and after I saw that comment, it was kind of like, oh duh, because I have seen before in descriptions for other radios where it's talking about various filters, so it should have dawned on me that that's what was going on. It was a IF filter that was helping narrow it down so I wasn't hearing the from a adjacent frequency. And then SpectreOZ here, he commented, "In CB talk, this is called adjacent channel rejection, otherwise generally referred to a selectivity which is achieved with filtering using inductance and capacitance circuits on the input of the receiver." And he provided a link here, which I haven't read yet, but I got time to dink around today. Well, I want to play around with my radios first, but definitely gonna read this. So that's what was going on with my Kenwood R2000, for anybody who's interested and wanted to learn about that. So I want to thank you to HamandShortwaveRadio and SpectreOZ. These two have been really helpful lately with my antenna project. So I want to promote both of their channels. Here, let me go to these channels. Here is HamandShortwaveRadio. This is what his channel looks like. He talks about all kinds of subjects and posts instructional videos. Like, here, let me click on this real quick. Like yesterday, he posted a video showing how he made a remote antenna switch. Now, for me, it was kind of I'm not that advanced yet into electronics. I'm still trying my best at learning. Once I'm done with my schoolwork, my next step is going to be getting my ham radio license, so I'm going to be learning more about radios and antennas and stuff like that. So maybe eventually in the future I'll have enough knowledge and information and experience to attempt something like this. But there are other videos here, posts like this one, the amazing balcony shortwave antenna, why didn't it work? And for that video makes sense, you want to have to watch this one first. But basically, he made basically a small antenna for shortwave reception, and it wasn't as good as his vertical antenna. And then this video, he explained the fundamentals as to why it didn't work. And there's other videos where he responds to comments. Basically, if you're an ignorant idiot, he will destroy you with logic and knowledge. So don't go off half-cocked when you're going to comment on any of his videos, because he will destroy you. That's putting it mildly. And then the other channel, SpectreOZ. Like I said, this is another YouTuber who's been helping me with my antenna project. He also does videos showing off his projects and various aspects of shortwave and ham radio. Haven't looked at a whole lot of these yet. A lot of videos to watch. Oh, here's a video made of the Cuban number station HM01. So far, that's the only number station I've come across. Maybe I'll hear some more now that I got a better antenna set up and tune around the dial. But SpectreOZ, like HamandShortwaveRadio, he's also very knowledgeable. And like I said, I really appreciate and value each of their help, because it's really been coming in handy. So if you're into the radio hobby like I am, check out and subscribe to their two channels. Like I said, SpectreOZ and HamandShortwaveRadio. If you want to learn anything, these are the channels to go to. I know there's more out there. I just probably haven't discovered yet, because, well, there are tons of videos to YouTube and everybody's got an opinion, but if you want somebody who's really knowledgeable, check out these two. And, if you got questions, don't be afraid to ask, because that's what I do. I've asked questions, and they've answered them, and they're willing to critique your work, because Lord knows I've tried all kinds of stuff, and having Shortwave Radio, Greg, he's always quick to respond and tell me what I'm doing wrong, which really helps, because then I learn, oh, this is a stupid idea, so gotta do something different. So yeah, like I said, check out their videos, subscribe to their channels, and hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, peace and all that good stuff.